How to buy Chirp token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 7 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your fund wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now wait a few seconds to be able to see it here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Chirp token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.